Hey guys, let's talk about this Tapo Smart Temperature and Humidity Sensor setup. This is the Tapo T310. It requires a hub, which I have just right here. I have the Tapo Smart Hub H200. So I'm going to use this one for the setup. And it comes with everything that you need for the installation. You're gonna need the sensor, of course, in this paper clip, so you can open it up and reset to start working. Or when it comes out of the box, you just remove the plastic from here, and the battery is going to turn the sensor up, and you can do the setup, okay? And here comes the accessory for the installation. You can just stick this one here, just peel it off, put it here, another one here, and then you can just stick to a wall or something. So super simple. Or you can use this one. You can also peel it off and then put it here, another one here, and then you stick to some place because this one is magnetic, as you can see here. You just put it here, back here. See, it's a magnetic one. Okay. So super easy. You can also use the QR code here and scan, so you see the video setup. Super simple. And this one you can use if you want to hang the sensor somewhere. There's this way to do it. You just pass it here. There we go. And then you can just hang up somewhere. So different ways to use it. Super simple. Okay. Let's just start here by opening the battery compartment. You just need to use something like this, a paper clip. Then you just pull this off. And there we go. Okay, so here's the battery. It's a CR2450. You just use the paper clip again, and you press here to start the process of the setup, right? To put it on setup mode. Let me just approach the other camera here so you see better. You're gonna need a cell phone as well. So there we go. Here's the sensor. And I'm gonna just press and hold here, the reset button. Press and hold and observe the LED here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see 5 seconds, starts flashing. So it's flashing green. Then I just come here with my Tapo app, and I'm gonna bring the Tapo app in here, the plus signal, and add a device. Okay. And then here I'm gonna look for sensors, which I have just right here. Sensors. This one is the T310. So there we go. And you see that I have a hub here already. I'm talking about this one I have here, the Tapo H200. Works with other smart hubs as well. So I just select this one. And now some information about how to proceed, right? So just remove the plastic so the battery starts working. We just reset it already. And the LED is off, or LED is blinking. It's off right now because I'm taking too long to set it up, right? Let me just come back pretty quick here. Do this one more time. I'm talking too much here, so reset again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Now it's blinking the way it's supposed to be, and I'm good to go, okay? So I just hit here, and it is blinking. So now it's going to connect the sensor to the hub. There we go. It found it. So it's doing some negotiation there or something. It's connecting to the hub. There we go. Now it's connected. It stopped flashing here. And then I just need to name the sensor. I'll leave the name like this. Just hit next. I'm gonna install this in the office, for example, and then hit next. And select here an icon for the sensor. Next. Check the firmware. And sounds good. So I get here, congratulations, sounds good. And it's already working here, see? Measuring the temperature in Celsius. I can probably change later this one. And the humidity, right? So I just hit here, you see that I have the temperature and humidity. and it starts working. And from here, I have the setup. I can change the temperature here to Fahrenheit if I want to. Comfort zone, operation mode, smart actions, user menu. So everything's available here. So I can just start using it. So super simple, super intuitive, very easy to use, right? So hope that helps. That's the way you can set up a Tapo sensor. This is the T310. So leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.